Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to analyze the recently passed law Legal Aid and Justice Authority Bill 2024 by the National Assembly of Pakistan. This bill aims to administer the control of LAJA from Ministry of Human Rights to Ministry of Law and Justice. We will dive into the details of the bill, legal implications, and a potential impact on the legal system in Pakistan. Join us for in-depth significance legislative development overview of the bill. The Legal Aid and Justice Authority Amendment Bill 2024 was introduced by the State Minister for Finance Pervez Malik and passed by the National Assembly on October 23, 2024. This bill aims to amend the Legal Aid Act 2022, transferring administrative control LAJA from Ministry of Human Rights to Ministry of Law and Justice. This move intended to enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of LAJA by leveraging the institutional linkage of the Minister of Law and Justice with the other law officers and the commissions. So the amendment shifts to administrative control of LAJA to Minister of Law and Justice, which is expected to streamline the operations of the LAJA and improve its stability. The change aligns with the businesses located to law and justice domain under rule of Vision 1973. By placing LAJA under the Ministry of Law and Justice, the bill aims to enhance the coordination between LAJA and other law offices and commission of the Federation. The institution linkage is expected to be very reliable. It is done for the public interest. The bill is designate the active that public interest should be protected at every cost. A shift of administrative control as seen as the a way to improve the legal system of Pakistan. So, Legal Aid and the Justice Authority Bill 2024 represented significant legislative development aimed at to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the legal system in Pakistan by shifting administrative control to Ministry of Law and Justice. The bill seeks to improve coordination between the operation, unlimitedly benefiting the public. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you.